Good morning, class. It's Mrs. Barrantes, and welcome to another week. We are in the week of April 27th, so it's almost May. It's kind of crazy to think that we've already been at this for so many weeks, but I just wanted to quickly go through our PLT slides so that you knew what to expect. As 8th graders, there's some super important information for you this week, so make sure you go through these slides really thoroughly, okay? So the first thing is just fun. Go ahead and look at the NBC broadcast. They've been working hard on that, which should be great. And then we've got another Virtual Spirit Week this week. So check it out. You can post your pictures on Instagram and then tag Madison Middle School ASB, or you can also join the ABC NBC submission classroom and then share your things there. So it looks like a really fun time. Here is the MMS Wellness Corner. So students are invited to join the MMS Wellness Corner on Google Classroom. Counselors will be sharing information on how to stay calm, connected, and healthy during this time. And there is no homework, it's just resources for you. They also are inviting you to bring a friend and join them for Mindful Monday Lively Week events at 10 a.m. and Wellness Wednesday activities posted each Wednesday. So check those things out. Here is our checklist for PLT this week. You want to make a copy of this document that is right here. And if you don't know how to copy a Google Doc, there's a video here to show you how to do that. So you can watch that if that's something that you need. Remember our schedule. We have our assignments posted on different days of the week. And remember, you have 1 week to complete your assignments for that subject. Here's a couple of things to help you advocate for yourself. If you need any academic help, you need to email us. And thank you to those of you who emailed me last week. It was awesome to hear from you. If you need to get a hold of your counselors, if you need any kind of social emotional support, Ms. Rivera and Ms. Swift, their emails are linked here and it shows who they are helping. And then if you need any kind of tech support, make sure you go through this and get the help you need to see if you can troubleshoot before we talk about, getting a different Chromebook or anything like that if that's an issue. All right, here's your agenda. First, make sure your journal for last week is complete. 2, review high school information. This is really important. 3, we want to know what you would like for us to do for the end of the year, so we want your feedback. Number 4, there's a counseling check-in survey. 5 is a Thrively lesson, and then number 6, organizing your time. So you're going to learn about how to make a daily schedule, and then also an assignment checklist. So what can you do to organize all of your assignments and know what it is that you have to do? All right, so stop. Did you complete your journal entry for the week last week? Okay, remember they're posted in our Google Classroom, so make sure you work on that. You don't have to submit it yet, but you do need to complete last week's. Okay, you need to watch this video. This is super important information about how to make sure that you are registered for high school. Okay, so please make sure you watch this. And then here is the information on how to choose your course selections for any of the 3 high schools. You need to do that by May 3rd, otherwise your classes are going to be selected for you. So you're going to watch this video that's going to walk you through the process, and then whatever high school that you are going to, you're going to click on one of these. Again, if you need any help, contact your counselors. They're willing to help. Okay, end of the year events for 8th graders. You know that we're still on quarantine. We don't know what the restrictions are going to be like for us at the very end of the school year. So we want your feedback to see maybe what it is that we could do. We want to be creative. We want to maybe assume that we're not at school, but we do want to get some ideas from you to see what should we do to celebrate you all at the end of the year? Please take this survey if there's been any change in your status since completing it last week. Remember, this just goes to the counselors. I don't actually see it at all, and it's not going to be shared with anyone else. And then here's some things to do for your Thrively lesson. And then here's some information about how to organize your days. So these are just examples of how to have a daily schedule. And then here is how to make a daily schedule for yourself. And then this is how to see your to-do list on Google Classroom. I think this one is really particularly helpful. Since everything's on Google Classroom now, it's going to show and list out all the stuff you need to do each day. And so that's it. But this is your checklist for this week. Review high school info, complete your 8th grade survey, complete the student support survey, complete the Thrively lesson, and make a daily or weekly schedule and assignment checklist to help yourself get organized. All right, class. For Tuesday and Friday, remember you're exploring your passions. Here's more info about things you could do to do that. And then doing your journal on Friday. Some of the journal responses that I've gotten have been really short, like a sentence. Please make sure that you write a good amount so it's an actual journal. And then here's just some other questions to help you with that if you need any help. And that's it. All right, class. I hope that you are well. Again, I miss you, and we'll talk soon. Bye.